Hey guys, this is the Muse. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, you're very much welcome. And for my old viewers, thank you so much for watching. So this is an old wig. Will be deconstructed this week and making it into a 4x4 closure bob wig. Yeah. So we start by getting the hair out of the way and cutting out the wefts. So now we're going to get the closure. This is the cut I got from the market. I didn't actually ventilate this one by myself. If you watch my channel, you know that I ventilate frontals and closures. So I'm going to go ahead and bleach this closure so it will be giving scalp. So yeah, I'm just taking my time to apply the bleach gently on the closure. If you'd like a tutorial on how to bleach your closures or frontals, I already have a video. Just go to my channel and check that video out. So we're just going to place the wig cap on the mannequin head real quick. Yeah, so if your client has a bigger head, you might consider getting a bigger mannequin. This one is about 22.5 circumference and size. Yeah, so if your client has a bigger head, you might want to get a 23 or 23.5. So I'm just showing the back of the mannequin head so that the wig cap fits the mannequin head perfectly, because this is a glueless wig. So now that we are done fitting the wig cap to the mannequin head size, we are going to go ahead and place the 4x4 closure, and please be sure to give a space of 0.5 inches in front of the mannequin head, so that because that is where it will be laying on the headline. If you look at the closure, you see that there is a space in the front. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So now that we're done laying it, I'm just going to tie the hair so it doesn't disturb us during the process of sewing down the closure and the wefts. So now that we're done securing the hair, we're going to go ahead and sew it down real quick, and that's just it. I'm so sorry that you guys, there was no video here on like when I started swimming down the wefts to the wig cap. Some part of that part of the video got lost during the process of making this video. Yeah, so I'm really sorry guys. I'm still getting used to making YouTube videos and editing them, so yeah, I hope to get better. So what I'm just doing, I'm using my needle to sew upwards and then tying it down, taking my time to be sure that it's sewed tightly to the wig cap. Lest I forget, for a wig reconstruction like this, especially a bob, when you're sewing webs because it's already cut before, you have to start with the shorter ones and then proceed with the longer ones on top. When you saw when you go back to the video when I was cutting out the webs, you saw like I arranged them, the shorter pieces to the longer pieces. So that's how you're just going to sew it, so that at the end of the day it comes out as the same length. Yeah, so please do not forget, because even when you're making it in week, some packet hairs come with a shorter to longer hair pieces. So be sure to sew the shorter pieces to the end, and then as you keep going up, you start sewing on the longer pieces. Maybe if you start with an 8 inch, you progress to a 9 inch, and then to a 10 inch, 11 inch, and 12 inch. So that's how you get your 12 inches bob. The same goes for other lengths. So that's just how you do it. So now that we are done sewing down the wig, next step is to straighten the hair. So we are just going to get a section of the hair and use our hair clamp to hold the hair up, and then I'm going to get my hair straightener and start straightening the hair out. Yeah, I do not recommend using this tool to straighten out your hair, because it doesn't really give of the best result. But this was all I had at the moment. Fortunately I've gotten myself a really good hair straightener. Yeah, so I'm using the hot comb now to comb the front of the hairline, and now we're going to go ahead and start plucking the lace front, so that it will give a scalp. It's going to look really nice and natural and blending. We don't want a super thick hairline that doesn't look natural, rather it looks rather wiggy. So I'm just going to spray water on the hairline real quick, and I'm using my my tweezer to pluck the hairline. Guys, please remember to pluck behind the hairline, not in front of the hairline, to avoid bald patches. And the YouTube girlies, the YouTubers actually, the YouTube videos I watch, they say you should pluck once, pluck once and go to another place and pluck. But me, I pluck as much as I want, and once I don't know, I just guess I know what I'm doing. I can just use my eyes to know that, okay, this has been plucked enough. Yeah, but if you don't know what you're doing, just follow the advice: pluck once and move. Pluck once and move, pluck once and move. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So as you can see, it's starting to come into place. You can see the definition. You can see that the hairline is starting to look more natural and less wiggy. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. Yeah, so now that I'm done, I'm just going to slick down the lace closure, so that it's flat and looks really nice and natural. So that's what I'm doing. I'm coming back the hairlines, coming back the flyaways with the hot comb and the wax stick. I don't have that kind of wax, the one that you dab on the front of the hairline, but I'm going to get mine soon. I'm just using the one that you apply by hand. So the next step is cutting the bob. Yeah, I'm cutting using a sharp scissors. You could use a clipper, that would be better and more efficient. Yes, I'm just taking my time. I advise that you start long, so that if you're using the same level, you can keep cutting shorter. It's much safer that way if you start long and then you continue cutting so that you get your desired length. Yeah, so I'm just here taking the risk and So far it turned out great. So I'm just going ahead to use my hot comb to bump the end. As I'm doing this, I'm spraying with my got to be glued hairspray, just to hold this tight, because I found like this hair has a little bit of a volume, so the hairspray is just to hold it, to give it that kind of a bone straight look. Yeah, so that's just it. So this is the hair after everything is looking nice. I proceeded to add a baby hair to the front, and as you can see, it's looking really good. This is an 8-inch bob, and I'm so proud of this work. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and if you have any questions to ask, you can just go to the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.